So, welcome to another episode of Ask the Expert series. Today, we're kicking off our tennis and pickleball adventure over the next 3 months. And I'm excited to have Nadine on. She was on for our runner series. And this is going to be a great topic that we're going to talk about today. So, Nadine is a certified athletic trainer. She's a licensed physical therapist and a certified functional medicine practitioner. And she's got over 25 years of experience in sports medicine with an expertise in biomechanics, osteopathic manual therapy, as well as integrative physiotherapy. And she owns a practice called NW Integrative Physiotherapy in North Idaho. And Nadine and I used to work together on the WTA tour. So we spent quite a few years together counseling hundreds of professional tennis players on performance and recovery. So I think we just need to jump right in. So welcome Nadine back on the show. Nadine, are there common technical flaws that you see, that are really leading to injuries and how players kind of can correct them?
Sure. I mean, from a tennis perspective, definitely some of the bigger flaws are not getting that counter rotation and that butt back, particularly on your serve, not sitting back enough on forehand, and not having that hip position or that foot position on your backhand side, right? Stepping out to there, that open versus closed stance. So being able to have that range of motion there. I would say those are, your bigger things. And then on the women's side, we saw a lot of pull through on the serve, right? Which is when you come up and through the serve, instead of going up and through, you bring your arm up and then you bend over to try to hit the ball. And that just doesn't really work very well. So making sure you're getting that shoulder blade down and back and coming up and through matters. In pickleball, I think that kind of matches when you're talking about the short game of tennis, right? Because it's almost the same thing, right? And so you just see not having quick enough feet. So you see that way big side lean to try to get to a ball, right? Or being off balance where you're leaning too far forward, but your feet weren't there enough. So really working on hip stability and core strength so that you can get pretty low to get those random balls that get away from you. I mean, so much of pickleball is just right here. If you're good, it really doesn't ever leave the kitchen. You're just kind of like right there. But if the ball gets a little bit away from you, I'll see people that just don't have the speed or the agility. So some footwork stuff to make sure that you're safe and how you're moving to get to the ball can really matter as well.